This is for chapter review, problem number 107. And the question is it a circle? You got an equation and you want to figure out, is it a circle? And if it is a circle, what is the center and the radius of the circle? So first of all, just looking at a general form of an equation, we have all this. These A, B, C, D, and E would represent integers. We try to do it such that those are all integers. We get rid of fractions. And for it to be a circle, the A would have to equal B. Whatever is the coefficient of the x squared must be the same as the coefficient for the y squared. And then if that's true, then what you need to do to find the center and radius is to complete the squares, because you're going to complete the squares with the x's and you're going to complete the squares with the y's. So here's our exact problem. We notice that the coefficients are the same, so yes, it is a circle. So that's the first question. Second part of this is to find the center and the radius. So to complete the squares, we put the x's together and group them. We put the y's together and group them. And we get rid of, meaning we subtract to the other side, any constants. And now we have to figure out what we would put into each of these groups to complete the square. So for this one, you're going to take half of 2 and square it and add that there. You're going to take half of -6, which would be -3, and square it and add it into that group. But don't forget that if you add those, the 1 and the 9, to the left side of the equation, you have to add 1 and 9 to the right side of the equation. Simplifying everything, because now we've got this trinomial that can be factored, and this other trinomial that can be factored, and we simplify the constants. You now see that you have a circle with a center of -1, +3, and a radius of 1. And that's the end of the problem.